Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel ERPZEN. In today's video, we will see how to create a prepayment invoice in Oracle Fusion. What is a prepayment invoice? Previously, when the customer has paid an advance amount, we use it to store it on account. On account is nothing but we are parking the money on account. Now, with this new functionality, we can create a prepayment invoice in Oracle Fusion Account Receivables module. So for that, you have to configure receivables activities and a transaction type, and you have to create a prepayment invoice and apply that prepayment invoice to Open Sales Invoice. But here the condition is, when you have created a sales invoice, you should not complete. Before completing the transaction, you have to apply that prepayment invoice to Open Sales Invoice. Now let us see that. Click on your username, click on Setup and Maintenance. Now search for the task called Manage Receivables Activities. Open the task Manage Receivables Activities. Click on plus icon to create a receivables activity. Select your business unit. Click on Search. CAB Prepayment. Take the description. Now here select the activity type as prepayment. If you select the activity type as prepayment, system will enable prepayment invoice applications. Use any prepayment or use only prepayments only. We'll see that. Use any prepayment. It means it allows eligible prepayment invoices that can be applied to Open Sales Invoice or Open AR transaction. If you select the option called Use Paid Prepayments Only, it allows only fully paid prepayment invoices that can be applied against an Open Sales Invoice. So I will go with the option called Use Any Prepayment. Now click on, you have to select the activity GL account. Select the account. Prepayment. Now click on OK. Now click on Save. Before saving the record, you have to make sure that the activity type you select as prepayment and the flag is set to active. You have to check this checkbox. And since you cannot override, you have to be very careful while configuring this receivables activities. Now click on Save and Close. Now search for your receivables activity. Business unit is click on Search. Click on Search. Select the record and click on Edit. Now here you can see you cannot override since system has freezed this. Now click on Cancel. Click on Save. Save and Close. Now we'll create a transaction type Manage transaction type. Open the task, manage a transaction type. Click on plus icon to create a transaction type. Now select the transaction set common. Click on OK. Now give CAB prepayment. Now description also I want to take the same. Now here select the transaction class as invoice and you can see the transaction subclass. Select this as prepayment. Select open. Now from date 1/1/00/2000. Now generate bill, yes. Now assign your business unit. Click on search. Yeah. Click on OK. Now click on save. CAB. Now click on save. CAB prepayment. Prepayment. Now click on save. Save and close. Now we will create the prepayment invoice. Go to receivables. Click on billing. Click on task list. Now click on create a transaction. Yeah, business unit. Select your business unit. Transaction source is manual and transaction type. Make sure that you are selecting the transaction type as your prepayment transaction type. CAB prepayment. Yeah. Now transaction number prepayment _1. This is my transaction number. And select your customer. Say ERPZEN customer. Now click on search. Click on advanced contains. Now click on search. Okay, someone has changed business unit set assignments. Let us see that. Click on setup and maintenance. Business unit set assignment. Yeah, open the task. Business unit set assignments. Now search for customer account site. Yeah, someone has changed. So select enterprise. Enterprise. Now click on search. Click on OK. Save the record. Now let us create AR transaction. Go to receivables, click on billing, click on task list. Now click on create a transaction. Now select your business unit. Select the transaction type. If you select the prepayment, you can see all these options are disabled, only these disabled. Now prepayment transaction number, it is fine, it will automatically be generated when you save the transaction. Now give your customer name. Now click on OK. Now description, prepayment quantity 1, say $100. Now click on save. Yes, this is the prepayment transaction number. This is prepayment. Now you have completed this transaction. Now we will create a sales invoice. Click on task list. Now click on create a transaction. Now select the transaction class invoice. Now select your business unit. 01 transaction number will be automatically populated. Now select your customer, say ERPZEN customer. Now create application of prepayment. Application of prepayment quantity 1, $100. Now click on apply prepayments. Click on apply prepayments. Now search the prepayment invoice number which you have created. This is the prepayment invoice number 164768. 164768. Now click on search. Yeah, this is the prepayment invoice number, and you can see the prepayment invoice number, the line description, the line amount, the prepayment balance amount. Now how much amount you want to apply? Say I want to apply full. Now click on add. Click on done. You can see this is our first line, application of prepayment, and since you have applied the prepayment, it is taking -100. Now click on complete and review. Click on complete and review. Now system has generated accounting entries. Now let us see that. Click on actions. Click on post to ledger. Click on view accounting. Now you can see the accounting entries. Debit prepayment and credit the revenue account. Now click on done. You can see the events as well. Now click on save and close. Click on home. In this way, you can create a prepayment invoice and apply it to an open sales invoice in Oracle Fusion Accounts Receivables module. I hope you liked this video. If you like the video, please hit like, share and subscribe to our channel ERPZEN for more Oracle Fusion tutorials. Drop your questions in the comment sections. Until then, see you in the next video. Thank you. Thank you very much.